I finally got delivery of my favorite products from Mi&Ko. I was really looking forward to this delivery because only they have the best organic products. Let us see what's inside and why I love them so much. Detergent for all surfaces perfectly cleans all surfaces without harmful chemicals and does not leave stains and streaks. One tablet is enough for 500 ml of water for all types of surfaces. Washing powder for baby clothes. Any mother knows that children's things need especially careful and safe washing. Fabric softener French lavender pure water. My favorite fabric softener French lavender gives the linen softness and has an anti-static effect.